Hey guys, how's it going? Jaden the Celestial here again with another awesome Yu-Gi-Oh video, and today we got another magnificent Mavens unboxing here. If you guys want to check out the other unboxings I've done, I'll put links to them in the description. This is my second magnificent Mavens mini box opening. Last video I pulled the ultra rare Blackluster Soldier of Chaos card, and yeah, that was pretty cool. It was the first card I pulled from the set too. So let's see if we can get anything good out of this one as well. Maybe a secret Pharaoh's secret rare, maybe. Well, let's find out. Booster packs. Alright, I got a different set of sleeves this time. Still Witchcrafter, but it's a different kind. That looks nice. Very, very nice. Alright guys, we got our 4 booster packs here. Let's see what we get from them. Sword Soul Grandmaster Yugioh. Let's see. Any Swordmaster? Let's see, Sword Soul. I have a notebook here that tells me all the different cards and how rare they are or how valuable they are, because I can't remember them all. Yeah, that's cool. Nice card. Ooh, Yugioh the Sacred Protector. That's one of the Ishizu cards. Yugioh. Let's see. Is Yugioh on my list? Yep. Alright. There you go. $3 right there for that. Not bad. Not bad. Doom Dozer. Let's see. Doom Dozer. Are you on my list here? Doom Dozer. And no. But still pretty cool. I need more insect cards anyway. That looks like a cool card to have. Yeah. Sky Striker Ace Ray. Yeah, I know the Sky Strikers are a big thing in this set. Mobilize, no. Nope. And the last card is Witchcrafter Hane. I pulled one of these already in the last set. Alright, that's number 1. Here we go with number 2. And we have the Iris Sword Soul. Iris Sword Soul. Nope, nothing there for that, but still, pretty nice one. Ooh, we got another Yugioh the Sacred Protector. That's 2, nice. Oh, we got another Doom Dozer. He's got a bit of a line there. That's nice. Ooh, nice, another Scapegoat. I pulled a Scapegoat in the last one. I'll leave a link to the script. I'll leave a link for that one as well. And another Sky Striker Ray. Alrighty. Excuse me. Pack number 3. We pulled doubles for the Yugioh. Let's see what else we can get? Harpy's Feather Duster. Yes. This is a card I've been wanting to get for a while. Heck yeah, baby. This is a good card. Harpy's Feather Duster. Yep, on my list there. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice card. I don't know if I'm going to sell that though, because that's such a useful card. Sky Striker Ace Zeke. I think there's only one Sky Striker that's actually worth something in this set. I might be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, I'm gonna check the values of all these cards back on TCG app. Just because I know they changed the values of them, but you know, still. Light Imprisoning Mirror. Pulled one of those last time. Not bad. And another Witchcrafter Hane. And finally, Sky Striker Ace Kagari. Alrighty. Final pack, guys. Let's cross our fingers here. Let's see what we can get. Living hard at the cards. Come on. Give me something good, please. Yes! The Blackluster Soldier Envoy of the Beginning. This is the other one I've been wanting to get. Ooh, yes. I've been wanting to get one of these. Let's see. Is it? I think it might be on my list. If it's not, regardless, I'm happy to get one of these. Just like with the, yeah, Blackluster Soldier of Chaos. That's the Link one. Okay, nothing, but still, very happy to get this. Oh, I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time, but I just never got the chance to. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for that. Witchcrafter Vice Madame. Ooh. Are there any? Is that going to be on my list? It looks like a nice card. Nope, still a pretty cool looking card. One Witchcrafter monster and a Spellcaster monster. I think I can put this in one of my Spellcaster decks, because I have one. I know one of them has at least one Witchcrafter monster in it, so that can work. Not bad. Bururu at Ignister. I know that's not worth much. I've had that before. Metal Reflect Slime. That's a nice one. And I didn't see what the other one, the last card was. And the last card is an Instant Fusion. Well, regardless, I'd say this was a pretty good pull. Pretty cool, pretty good unboxing. Yeah. So that's all I have for you all today in this video. If you like what you see, please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and turn on the notifications for more content. If you guys want to see more Yugioh content, I have an Instagram. I will put the link to that in my description as well. And I post a lot of cool stuff on there as well, more than I do on my YouTube, because I post a lot of pictures and stuff there. But yeah, go and give that a look. Follow me on Instagram as well. And I hope you guys continue to have a wonderful day, morning, evening, night, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Stay awesome and have a good day.